Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. Today's video we are going to see some exciting job updates and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply for a specific job, so I will provide the link in the description so you can directly apply through this link. So let's start. First hiring is conducted by the GoodSpace. So they are hiring for data analysts. Okay, and the location will be Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and you must have 1 to 3 years of experience in data analyst role. Okay, and the key skills required, like you should have the idea about Excel, MS Excel, Tableau, Power BI, JDBC slash SQL. Then this will be the key responsibilities. Okay, collect, clean and analyze the data set to support the business discussion. You have to work with Excel, SQL and visualization tool like Power BI and Tableau. Okay, and you should also have to identify the patterns and inside information from the data sets. Okay, prepare the dashboards, MIS reports. Eligibility criteria is any graduate can be applied. Okay, so like Tech, MSc, BCom, BBA, MBA. Okay, with the interest in data analytics. So freshers with the certification in Excel, SQL, Power BI, etc. RB, there will be the plus point. Okay, so if you want to apply for the job, so you can click on this and you can directly apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the PW, that is PhysicsWallah, and they are hiring for SD interns. It will be the full-time opportunity. They need like Android developer. Okay, so you should have the idea in Kotlin, then React Native, AOSP, okay, and full stack. The location will be PhysicsWallah head office in Noida. You have to work there, and the duration will be 3 months. Okay, you have to work 6 days a week, and the internship will be from office only. Requirements like, okay, so pursuing or recently completed a degree in computer science, software engineering or related field. Okay, and have a strong foundation in Android development with Kotlin. Okay, and also familiar with the React Native, and AOSP is preferred. You should also have the strong understanding in web technologies and frameworks like JavaScript, React, Next.js, Vue.js, Node.js, Nest.js. Okay, you should have the idea about databases like MySQL, MongoDB, familiar with the version control such as Git, GitHub. Okay, so if you have this skill set, so you have to just fill this form and you will get the email. If you are shortlisted, and then you will get the email from the company. Okay, so next hiring is conducted by the Seagate. So they are hiring for interns in software development, and the location will be Pune. Okay, the skills must require, like you should have the understanding about the object oriented programming concepts, that is OOPS concepts. Okay, and you should know the languages such as C++, Python. You should also have the basic understanding about the Docker containers and containerization and concepts. Okay, and familiar with the GitLab, CI/CD pipelines. Okay, so if you have idea about GitLab and CI/CD pipelines, then it's fine. So if you want to apply for this job, so you have to just click on this button, apply now, and you can directly apply for the job. Okay, so next hiring is conducted by the Cognizant. So they are hiring for freshers, and the location will be Hyderabad. So, and this is a walk-in drive. Okay, so you have to go to physically and the time will be 29th September to 1st of October, and the timing will be 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so you have to go within the time. Okay, and this is the location. Okay, so you have to go to Cognizant office. It will be in Kokapet. Okay, in Hyderabad, Telangana. So in this time period, you can go and give the interview. Okay, and this is the job description for it. Okay, so you can, if you want to read, so I will provide the link in the description. You can read from there. And this is the skill set required, like, okay, so communication, okay, then reading and comprehension, the research skills, then general awareness, work timings, and general skills. Okay, and the qualification must require, like, you should completed a graduate level degree, that means bachelor's degree, and you should have 0 to 11 months of experience. Okay, that means freshers also can be apply for the job. Okay, and it will be the non-wise. Okay, if you stay in Hyderabad, so you can go and give the interview. Okay, so next hiring is conducted by the MH Techin. So they are hiring for data analyst, and it will be the off campus for 2025. Okay, and the location will be Pune. Okay, and it will be the full-time opportunity, and 2024 and 2025 graduates can be applied for the job only. Okay, and this will be the key responsibilities. So collect, clean, and transform large and complex data sets from the multiple resources. Okay, build and maintain dashboards and visualization by using Tableau, Power BI, Looker. Okay, and conduct EDA, that is exploratory data analysis, identify trends, and present actionable insights. Okay, so if you want to read in details, so I will provide the link in the description. Okay, and this will be the eligibility criteria. Okay, only 2024 or 2025 graduates can be applied for this job, and BE, BTech, BSc, MSc, MTech, or MBA analytics or relevant students can be applied for the job. Skill set required, like SQL, Excel, Python, then understanding of statistic, probability, and hypothesis testing. So you have to just fill this form. Okay, so full name, your email ID, phone number, cover letter, and your CV. Okay, and you have to just click on submit, and you can directly apply for the job. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.